What's good, everybody? Today's video I'm going to show you something you definitely need to get if you're serious about weight training. And these are RDX Grip X1s. They are heavy duty wrist protectors, meaning that you cannot bend the joints in your wrist when you're actually lifting heavy weights or even small weight. Stay tuned for the whole video. And these are RDX Grip X1s. I like them. They come in different lengths. This is an 18-inch, very easy to put on. Put your wrist in. You can definitely pair these with a pair of weightlifting gloves. These are the weightlifting gloves that I have. Again, the reason. And now you just wrap twice. There's a flex inside here as well. I picked up that, and again, it kind of restricts my airflow in here, but you're still maintaining your wrist protection. Just really quickly about these gloves, they have quite a lot of padding right here. This is all rubber, meaning that you're gonna grab your iron or any metal dumbbells. It's not gonna tear your glove, which happens a lot with the cheap ones. Two things that I like about these gloves as well, besides it, or worse, you're gonna damage silk wrists. Some people I know even have carpal tunnel, so you definitely want to avoid that. And very easy, very inexpensive. In terms of aesthetics, they do come in different colors. This is a nice vinyl decal. The rest of it is essentially one long piece of padding with a flexible give to it. Now the stitching is done in such a way there's not going to be any threads coming apart. Have nicely fitted weightlifting gloves. So just make sure you're looking to train harder and damaging your hands. Much more about these RDX Grip X1s. Hit the gym hard, get results. I'll see you guys there.
So this is actually helping me with the push-ups. I'm not fighting this strain on my wrists. I can just focus on the pump instead of like my wrists and making sure that they're not twisting or bending. You can also do this way, diamond push-ups, right? That also keeps my wrists nice and strained. So you're gonna find out when you're really trying to work out heavy, you press down on your wrist. So these actually help you with holding up your posture without slouching too much if you're going too fast. All right, so I'm wearing my sweat top, my RDX wrist guards, and weightlifting gloves. So easy. Okay, we're doing a full stack. That's 195 pounds on this machine here.
So it's very important when you're doing heavy weight like that to use the wrist. I gotta say, much better workout. My wrists don't even hurt. I was able to push more weight with these straps, so this is my go-to gear for now. Should've gotten blue though. I would have been all blued out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.